This summer we experienced extreme sun, heat, and drought. Although cooler days are ahead, your skin may still be recovering from sun exposure. I know mine is. Now is the time to treat that sun-damaged skin. Vitalyc Medspa nurse practitioner and regional clinical director Taylor Siemens is here to tell us about their state-of-the-art treatments. Good morning. I'm listening.
Good morning.
I mean, sun damage is hard to recover from. First of all, just what is sun-damaged skin? What are the main things that it looks like? I know I have my ideas, but what would you say?
Sun damage, a lot of people equate this with just aging skin because that is how our skin ages. So you think of redness, hyperpigmentation or brown spots, lines, wrinkles, texture changes, and that's exactly why people are running in this season to Vitalyc, because we have the top tier laser treatments to resolve this, and now that summer is winding down, it's the perfect time to dive in.
You know, I was on Instagram doing a live the other day and I looked at my skin and I was like, oh my gosh, I see these spots. When you say hyperpigmentation, what does that look like?
Yes, so if you think of pigment, hyperpigment means it's getting darker. So it's the brown spots, the aging spots that you start to see on your skin. And so one of the treatments you just saw there was our halo laser, which does a magnificent job of taking away the brown spots, smoothing out the lines and wrinkles, and it's highly customizable. We love to build a customized plan for our patients.
Wow, I mean, that's really amazing what you're looking at right there. Can you talk a little bit more about the results that we're looking at?
Yes, so these patients here, we talked about Halo being customizable. They all elected to add a BBL, or a photofacial. It stands for broadband light, with their laser. And so these treatments work really well together to treat the deepest layer of sun damage, bring it up so the laser can actually wipe it away.
So, you know, I know that, I don't know about you, but when I go looking for this stuff, it's almost confusing. And there's so many things right now, and you want to get exactly the right thing. Who are the ideal candidates, and how do you determine what service you need?
Sure. The ideal candidates are people experiencing aging, and you know, that's as early as someone in their early 20s all the way up, you know, all ages for our patients. And so if they're experiencing any of those signs, the wrinkles, the brown spots, the redness, we invite them to come in for a complimentary consultation. We have locations in Dallas, Addison, Southlake, and Fort Worth is coming very soon. We perform these skin analysis that you can see here. It's called a Visia, which gives us a ton of data. So then our clinicians aren't just guessing at the best treatment to do, but we can say, based on how your skin is presenting here, these treatments are the best for you, and then we can track those results. So it takes the guesswork out of it, and we're able to use science and medicine to treat our patients.
That's really great. So you're not wasting money on something that's not going to help, but you're spending money on things that will. And speaking of money, you have a special offer this morning for our GMT viewers.
Yes, of course, our consultations are completely free, and we are going to bring in a special we are bringing at the end of the month for our clients early, a little sneak peek access for the first 30 callers. So we would love to see you at any of those 3 locations and get you some special savings to get rid of that sun damage.
First 30 callers.
First 30 callers.
Dial now. I'm going to tell you the number. Okay, thanks so much. Good to see you. You can find Vitalyc Medspa locations in Dallas, Addison, Southlake, and coming this fall to Fort Worth. Okay, here's the number, 972-441-7761. Be one of those first 30 callers. And for more information, to take advantage of that special offer, you can also visit vitalyc.com/GMT.